Hi, I am Parthasarathi. I am from EC department studying Ratnam Technical Campus, Coimbatore. I am here today say an important keys of an AI tools and their working. In our day-to-day life, AI took many part of in our life. It is an important thing and ruling all over the technologies. So I am hereby to say about an top 5 AI tools and their workings and their importance. All, what is AI? AI is an ability of machine to learn, think, and make decisions just like an humans but faster. Learns from data. AI has huge amount of information. AI has an huge amount of information to find and patterns, make decision. It can choose any decision and with an best without an human help. Improves over time. The more data is gets, and the smarter it becomes. The data is accurate and it becomes very smarter and it we can get an information very faster. This is an artificial intelligence. This is also known as AI. First of all, what is AI tools? AI tools are software application powered by artificial intelligence. They help us to create, search, write, and design with ease. Easy. The AI tools are used for video creation, writing assistant, smart search, image and animation. It is used in various departments. The first AI, Sora AI. Sora AI by an OpenAI turns text prompts into realistic videos up to 60 seconds long. It understands physics, lighting, and motion. How it works? You type a description like a drone flying from a snowy mountain. Sora diffusion model generates frame. AI predicts motion and scene transition. Output a smooth, high quality video. This is an Sora AI. It can take an prompt and you can make it a realistic video like an animation. Second AI, Runway ML, Creative Video Studio. What it does? Runway ML is a creative suite for video editing, generation, and efforts, all powered by AI. Key features: text to video, object removal, green screen, motion tracking, and image generation. How it works? It works by uploading footage or type a prompt. Then AI process it. Then after get edited or generated video instantly. This is easiest and you can use that very useful. Real life example: a student removes an background without an green skin. This type of AI are used to make an student content creation. It is most helpful for content creation. Is an Perplexity AI, smart search engine. It is same as like ChatGPT, but it is faster than ChatGPT. You can ask how it works. First of all, we can ask in any plain English. AI searches web in real time. Summarizes answer with the sources certain. Follow up question refines the answer. It is like an ChatGPT, but it is like little more greater than ChatGPT. You can use it as you can search it for anything. Real life example: a student asked what caused the 2000 financial crisis. Perplexity gives a clear sourced summary in a second for a presentation or for a neat conversation. Fourth AI is an Pika AI, animate anything. Pika AI turns and text or images into one short animated videos. It is perfect for social media, storytelling, and creative projects for an college or an cinematic sources. Text to a video. Type a prompt like a give a prompt as an animation, image to video. Upload a photo, bring it into a file. Edit with text. Changes using simple command. Changes using simple command. For example, if you type like an genie with a photo, it will upload it like an animated story. It is used for storytelling and for to animate everything. It is used for storytelling and for project like purposes. The last AI tool is an Claude AI. Claude AI by Anthropic is an AI assistant built for safety, honesty, and helpfulness. It excels at writing, analysis, and reasoning. How it works: you type and question or task in a natural language. Claude processes content using a constitutional AI. It responds with clear, well, and structured answer. It can read documents, code long text. Real life example: if you ask an PDF about any topic like natural trees for 400 pages, it will give it into a short period of time. It is a super fast AI. Advantages of AI tools. First of all, AI tools save time. Take a look hours now takes seconds. From writing to typing. Better learning. It will give you one fastest response and you can learn it in easier way. Boost creativity. Anyone can create an animation video or a storytelling video or an PDF or an prompt or an program in 10 seconds. It is a very accessible to all. And it is the last thing, it is accessible to all. Anyone can use an AI tool. Most AI tools are free and low cost, making powerful technology available to everyone. Last conclusion. AI tools are not replacing humans. They are simplified, they are amplifying human potential. Wherever you student, creator or researchers, these tools can help you to boost your knowledge. First of all, AI tools and best thing that and everything every person can analyze us and use for their needs. It is an best thing in an recent technology. Thank you.